In this session on the Amersham Typhoon, we're going to talk about how we place a large metal back screen such as this into the multi-stage to image on the Amersham Typhoon. You'll notice with the multi-stage here, we've removed all the brackets just to leave the outer frame. In this case, we've attached some handles to the top of the screen to make it easier to handle. We'll then place this down into the multi-stage, and you'll notice at the top corner here, there's a raised ledge, and this makes the screen fit tightly into the multi-stage. We're now going to take this and place it into the Amersham Typhoon. So we'll open the door, we'll take our stage, place it on the runners, slide it into the system, make sure we can see the apex on the top of the triangles to make sure it's locked into the system. And we'll take the lid, we'll close that, and we're done.